AT fluid replacement. AT fluid level check. In some Maruti Suzuki automatic transmission vehicles, fluid level gauge has two set of marks to check AT fluid level in hot as well as cold condition. In other vehicles, fluid level gauge has level marks for hot condition only. It is essential to check fluid level in hot condition. However, level check in cold condition is only performed to ensure availability of sufficient fluid in transmission before checking level in hot condition. AT fluid level check in cold condition. Open the engine hood and secure it safely in the open position. Install the fender covers. With engine in cold condition, place the vehicle on a level surface. Locate the AT fluid level gauge in engine compartment. Pull out the AT fluid level gauge from fluid filler tube while wiping the gauge with a clean cloth. Put the level gauge back in its place. Pull out the level gauge again and check fluid level. The level should be between full cold and low cold marks on gauge. If the level is found below low cold mark, add specified AT fluid to bring the level up. AT fluid level check at room temperature is recommended only for preparation of level check in hot condition. Failure to perform fluid level check in hot condition may result in damage to transmission. AT fluid level check in hot condition. Stop the vehicle and place it on a level surface. Apply parking brake and place chocks against wheels to prevent wheels from rotation. Shift select lever to P position and start the engine. AT fluid level check in hot condition is carried out when AT fluid is at its normal operating temperature of 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. To achieve this, drive the vehicle at speed of 60 km per hour in D range for 15 minutes or run engine at idle speed till AT fluid reaches its normal operating temperature, which can also be checked on SDT. After achieving this, keep engine idling. Depress the brake pedal and slowly shift select lever from P to L position and then back to P position. Ensure that the air conditioner is in off position. Locate the AT fluid level gauge in engine compartment. With engine running at idle speed, pull out the AT fluid level gauge from fluid filler tube while wiping the gauge with a clean cloth. Put the level gauge back in its place. Pull out the level gauge again and check fluid level indicated on gauge. The AT fluid level should be at least above the middle point of full hot and low hot marks on the gauge. If the fluid level is near or below the low hot mark, add specified AT fluid to bring level to full hot mark. Do not use any fluid other than the specified AT fluid. Use of any other fluid may result in juddering or some other faulty condition. Do not overfill. Overfilling can cause foaming and loss of fluid through breather. This may also result in slippage and transmission failure. AT fluid replacement. Locate the AT fluid level gauge and pull it out partially. Lift the vehicle on a 2-post lift. Remove the necessary components to gain access to AT oil pan. For example, engine under cover. Place a suitable container below the drain plug to collect used AT fluid. With engine in cold condition, clean the area around drain plug. Remove the drain plug and its gasket from oil pan using suitable tool. Collect all the used AT fluid in the container. After draining the fluid, wipe the drain plug hole and the area around it with a clean cloth or with paper rag. Remove the container. Install the drain plug along with its new gasket. Tighten the drain plug at its specified torque. Bring the vehicle down. Locate the AT fluid level gauge and remove it from fluid filler tube. Place a funnel over the fluid filler tube. Pour the specified amount of new AT fluid. Do not use any fluid other than the specified AT fluid. Use of any other fluid may cause juddering or some other faulty condition to occur. The amount of fluid may vary while draining or refilling of AT fluid depending on draining time or temperature, etc. Remove the funnel from the fluid filler tube. Check AT fluid level in cold condition. Add required amount of AT fluid if needed. AT fluid level check at room temperature is recommended only for preparation of level check in hot condition. After this, check AT fluid level in hot condition. Add required amount of AT fluid if needed. Failure to perform fluid level check in hot condition may result in damage to transmission. Remove the fender covers. Close the engine hood.